JD Cap 26 here, just doing tips and repairs and hobbies. I'll show you a couple of these models I have here. Turn that one on. Oops. I guess the battery on that one is out. This one's going strong. We have this one, the alien spaceship. Pretty cool, huh? And the UFO. And we have the alien, War of the Worlds, and the ship. The last one is my favorite Martian. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video and all the models I do. I'll be doing some in the future. So please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you can. Helps me pay for medication. And we'll see you next time.